Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you which opportunities we can find on the markets for the next days. Remember to subscribe not to miss the next videos. Leave a like and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. It's very important. I want to know your opinions, of course. And my first pick for the next days is gold because I think there are many opportunities. Okay, so the dynamic of price action is pretty clear, and as we can see, the price is approaching the 1825 major resistance here. So possibilities for the next days, okay, the main scenarios for me are two. I wouldn't be shocked to see the price filling this resistance and fall down a little bit, and then to see a compression. So the price will dance between this level at 1798.95 and 1825. Okay, a compression before going up. But I wouldn't be shocked either to see the price going up. So if the buyers are able to break it and push the price up, okay, we may expect the price to retest this price structure here at 1850 and 19. Okay, so for me, those are two main scenarios. Of course, this is not a forecast, but I see many trading opportunities on the gold. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and your opinion is very important. For today is everything. Stay tuned. Bye bye.